Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. Listen, make sure you're doing your best at whatever you are doing today. Make sure you give it all, leave it all on the field, okay? Make sure you stay motivated. Read something every day, something that has to do with your passions. Work on your craft. You gotta get your skills up, okay? And that only comes when you actually work and focus and deliver attention into your craft. So focus in what you are good at and develop that, all right? So you have a great day. Wishing you nothing but the best. Follow me on Instagram for more money tips. Check out The View. I have to go. I'm going to the meeting. Hope you're having a great day. Follow me. If you have a question, leave it. If you want to learn how to make passes,